Hey guys, Jeff Ryan here. I know I had a couple of projects that I did not finish last week. I was hoping to finish them up and I know I couldn't get to it, so I had to end the video earlier, and it was these two, the Galaxy and the Torino. We are well on our way to getting these buggers done. What do we got? We have the screw poster tab, yep, the windshield. I remember I was left off, I had just glued those in, so the windshields are in, and I know that the bumpers, yes, the bumpers, they've been on this stick for about a week, so it's time to get those off. All right, guys, let me get this in front of me. Okay, very good. With as little glue as I use, they're just coming right off. Just a little bit of pressure, and they just pop right off there. Oops, there we go. I need two hands for this one. On the stick that I spray with, I just use little bit of glue, and they all came off real good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dry fit them. If everything fits the way it was before they're painted, we should be in good shape to glue these buggers back on. Okay, good. Got the front bumper. It's dry fitted in there. Damn, it looks good, doesn't it? Looks real good. Let me go ahead and check the back one. Just got that back bumper in, and what do you think, guys? Looks pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad. And the front bumper for the Torino slid right in. Looks great. Look how well that Molotov reflects there. That Molotov chrome paint absolutely reflects wonderfully. That looks so darn good. Okay, I just slid the back bumper in for the Torino, but you see right there, just off center of the middle there, there's a little bit of glue. I got to carve off that back bumper and it'll set in there real good. Let me go and do that straight away. Oh boy, much better. You see there? Got that little nub of glue off. It just sets right in there. Okay, good. It is time to glue these buggers up. Okay, real quick, since I got the bumpers dry fitted, they fit real good. They fit real good. I'm going to glue in place, and I do use two kinds of glue. The super glue, the Gorilla Glue, I like that. I use that for the windshields. Reason being is I really wanted to hold them in place while the glue dried. So I use that super glue that Gorilla makes, and it held the windshields in very quickly in a short period of time. Now, I always like to use this Scotch maximum strength adhesive, like on a bumper or something like that, because if I have to ever get the bumper off the body, you can do it with this stuff. You can. You put very little on, it's going to hold it on there, but you can also get it off the plastic. So that's one of the reasons why I like it. Okay, let me go ahead and get these bumpers glued up here. Okay, once again, I use the Scotch glue on this. I've got both the Torino and the Galaxy front and back bumpers on. I'm just going to go ahead and let them set like that. I glued the back bumpers on, and now I'm just letting the front dry. So I'm going to give it a bit, and then we'll check them. All right, just coming back to the shop, see how they are holding. Well, look good so far. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Okay, that's good. Back one's good there too. Let's check this. Slight little give, not bad, just slight little give there. And the back one looks like it's firm in place. I might touch that up with a little bit of glue. Where do we need it? Probably on the inside there, might do that. I'm not going to peel the whole bumper off. It just has just a tiny bit of play in it. We'll see. Okay, good. We got that done. And guys, listen, I've got a very special announcement coming up. I love the T-Jet chassis. I've always just thought that as far as, nostalgia and everything like that, Aurora, when they made it, I fell in love with it, and me and my brothers, we really had a good time with that. When they got faster and faster, my love or liking for those fast chassis, it dwindled. But the special announcement, and I've been doing this for quite some time, and I just want to let you guys know, I'm starting to write, as far as a T-Jet book, about some of the really cool things that the T-Jet chassis did when it came into existence, and how Aurora, really made it shine and whatnot like that. And here's the title of the book. There you go. And I'm going to probably have it done very soon. There's going to be plenty of pictures. There's going to be history. There's going to be a lot of cool things in there. So guys, I wanted to let you know that a very special announcement is I've got a book. It might be I'm not sure right now, it might be an ebook, or it might be a hardcover book, like a paperback book, something like that. So I wanted to let you guys know. All right, let's go ahead and get one of these bodies on the chassis and see what it looks like going around the track. There you go. Just got the Trino on the track. Looking good, isn't it? Looking good. Very good. Get some juice. Yes. Smooth too, huh? Yeah, liking that. Liking that a lot. Fantastic. Look at the bumper. Look at that. Okay, once again, as far as making reference to the windshield, I know I did in the last video, I like the clarity of this windshield, but I don't like how pliable it is. I think it was made from a vacuum form. And on the Galaxy, I do like the way they made the windshield. It's like a clear aluminite, but pretty clear. It looks like there's a little bit of haze in it. Could have been cleaning that up a little bit. But I like the rigidity of that. So let me do this. Let me go ahead and swap out, boy, it looks good. Boy, it looks good. Let me go ahead and swap out the chassis and see what the Galaxy looks like on the track. I like the Galaxies. You look at the way it looks, the way the roof comes down to the back there in the trunk, it just looks like it's ready to go. You know what? Galaxies, what is this, a 67, I think, maybe? Just absolutely strong look, You want a muscle car? Got one right here for you guys. And listen, I like doing these kits. I really do. I think they're a lot of fun. I think the guys that are making it could step up the quality just a little bit, but they're not too far off. They're really not too far off. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take both the Galaxy and the Torino, I'm going to put them on eBay with the chassis. So you'll have two bodies, and you'll get the chassis there, and you can swap them out or do whatever you want, or just add a chassis. It's going to be up to you. Now, if any of you guys want to have these before I do put them on eBay, let me know right away. I will save them for you. You guys get first shot. Make an offer I can't refuse, and we will go from there. But these are definitely going to go up on eBay as a package like that, as a package. Okay, guys, again, the book, the very special announcement, about the book, I'm very excited about that. If you have any questions or comments about the content or anything, let me know. Be very curious to hear from you guys. Okay, I'm going to end off here for right now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and these came out good, guys. Once again, let me know if you want them. Let me know if you want them. They're done.